Hello beautiful people, welcome to Bomb Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Ft.Fancivivi hair. You guys love their braided individual wigs, so I decided why not run it back, but this time we are doing the curled braided wig. So this hair has like the curls in it. I forgot exactly what this is called, like the specific name of the wig, but I'll have the specs all below. But as you guys can see, curl pattern on fleek, super bouncy, super cute, and they have it throughout. So like, it's actually called something, but I just forgot what it's called. But you know, where they leave some hair out and it's like curly. Yeah, it gives it more of a like, it's like bust down, but like braids. Like, you know, like weave, but like braids. Weave, if you know what I mean. But this is the wig. So you will get your hair in this bag with all the care instructions and stuff in the back. And it has their info card right here. Coupons, a story on the brand Ft.Fancivivi if you just want to kind of do a little research on them as a company. And yeah, braid your way to effortless beauty. So it's just different little like coupons and things like that. You can get up to 100% cash back is what this says. So make sure you check out the info cards when you get your wig, because there's a lot of good ways to get some money back and discounts for future purchases. And yeah, it also comes with this. But you guys know this is standard, the edge band, but as you guys see, it's still in the package. I did not use it. So this is completely glueless. I didn't even use hairspray. Like sometimes I'll use like a spritz or it got to be sprayed or something like that to kind of like make sure that the wig doesn't move and stuff like that. But this time I just did got to be gel, and I just like did a few edges. It came already pre-cut. So I just swooped those a little bit. I tried to flat iron them and curl the edges, but they didn't curl as hard as I wanted them to. I don't mind this though, because it gives it kind of a messy look. Like at first I was kind of irritated because it didn't curl how I wanted, but honestly, the messy edges, I don't mind. But yeah, if you are one like, girl, I need to glue mine down, I'm not playing that shit, no worries. You still get this. It's like purple, it's cute. Has their name on it. It seems pretty durable. But yeah, I'm a glueless girl. I want something I can take on and off. So far, I honestly give this wig like a 10. It's super long. I'm 5'8", and the wig goes like past my waist and it's curled. The wig actually, when I pull it, goes past my shorts. I have like some little shorts on right now. And yeah, super long, super full. It's giving scalp. Now obviously it's still a wig, you know, you can only melt so much, but to me, for this to be a wig, I feel like they did a really good job. The parts are super crispy, super clean. The braids are well done. You can tell they were dipped. There's not a bunch of like stragglies coming out. Sometimes I've seen wigs like that and you can tell it's not really dipped properly, but this is pretty neat and crispy throughout the entire wig. You'll also get these little jewels, but you can get these from the hair store. I've personally never used these. I didn't use them the first time I worked with them, but this time I just feel like this was given like tropical, like I feel like it was appropriate to put the jewelry in there. So I did it and I like it. These are gold, but if you're more of a silver person, you can honestly just go to your local beauty supply and get some of these. But as y'all are gonna see, the install is not that long because all I did was cut the lace and then do the edges, and that was it. I didn't even use no spritz, no nothing. Like I took a toothbrush and did like this on the edges, and that was it. I did put on a wig cap because I tried it on without a wig cap and it still gave, but I just feel like the wig cap being like flesh tone makes the part look a little better and more defined. So make sure you put on a wig cap. If you have like some eyeshadow or something, which y'all will see in the video, just take any palette. It don't even have to be nothing crazy, just anything flesh tone or like a brown neutral color, and spread it over the top and then just literally plop the wig on. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this little 30-second install. Like I said, beginner friendly, fresh out the box, ready to go. I'm honestly debating going to work because I'm on FaceTime and my friend was gassing me up like, girl, that's cute, like they gonna eat that up, you should, you know, wear that to work, they gonna love that, you gonna make some money. So I don't know, honestly, I may or may not, but let's get into the video. Ft.Fancivivi, thank you again for sponsoring today's video, and yeah, let's get into it.